Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will learn how we can implement single sign-on using Azure Active Directory in Oracle Apex. So let's start and log into your Oracle Apex application. For this demo implementation, we need a account for Azure Active Directory. If you don't have any Azure Active Directory account, you can create Azure Active Directory account free of cost. So let's log into Azure Active Directory. So type enter microsoft.com, and because I have Azure Active Directory account, so I am going to log in with my username. So here we need to register our application in which we want to implement single sign-on. Okay, so here you need to move to app registrations, new registration, and then you need to provide the name of the application. So here I am going to implement Azure Active Directory single sign-on in this application, Oracle Apex Beginners to Professional. So paste the name here and just add single sign-on here. And then we need to provide the redirect URI. So select the web, and here we need to provide the URL of our application. So after the authentication from the Active Directory, we will move to this application. So here run your application and copy this URL and paste it here. And after Apex, just put Apex authentication dot callback. Remove this F, Apex authentication callback, and click on register. So your application has been registered, and client ID for your application created. Now the second thing, we need to create certificates and secrets. So click on new secret and type the name here, and then provide the number of days. You can select any number of days and then click on add. Copy this value and paste it in the file, any file you can use. So I am pasting it here. Okay, so this is from Azure Active Directory side. So now move to your Apex application here, and app builder, workspace utilities, and here we need to create web credentials. So create new credentials. So name of the credential is single sign-on Azure Active Directory, and then authentication is OAuth client credentials flow, and client ID and client secret. So move to your Azure Active Directory, and here move to your overview of the application and copy client ID, this one. This is the client ID of your application. So paste it in client ID, and then we copy the secret and copy this secret and paste it here and then here. Okay, so we just copied the client ID of our application, and then secret of our application. So we don't need to change other applications. So save it, create. Now what we need to move to in our application. So this is the application, shared components, and here we will create authentication scheme, new authentication scheme, and next. So name of the authentication scheme is single sign-on Azure Active Directory, and scheme type is social sign-in, and here credential store is we created single sign-on Azure Active Directory, and then we need to provide discovery URL. So move to your Azure Active Directory endpoints. So here we have a lot of endpoints, but we need only OpenID Connect metadata document. Copy this URL and paste it here, and here we need to provide some scopes. So scopes are profile, email, and offline access. Keep other things as it is and create authentication scheme. So mark this authentication scheme single sign-on Azure Active Directory as a current scheme. Okay, so that's it. Run your application. So here you can see it is asking our Microsoft Azure Active Directory username and password. So if you run this link in uh, uh, new window, so paste this URL. So in this case you will see it's asking about the email and password. So here you will provide the username and password. So next, and here we need to provide the password and sign in. So permission requested, accept, consent, accept. So your session has been ended. Create a new session. Click on sign in. So you signed in into the uh, Oracle Apex application using Azure Active Directory username and password. Similarly, here you can click and you can log in into your Oracle Apex application. So this is very simple to implement a single sign-on using Azure Active Directory. So you can use the same approach for other applications in which you want to implement single sign-on. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something useful in this video. Thank you so much.